Indo-Myanmar ngamkhaigi wathok asi diplomatic ki thakta waroishin ama puroknabagidamak Rajya Sabha ki MP Ningthau Laisemba Sana Jaubana Parliament ta pukhatkre. Ngasi famkiba Parliament mifamda special mention oina pukhatladuna MP Ningthau Laisemba Sana Jaubana hai Indo-Myanmar ngamkhaigi paringda yungliba border pillars singi matangda chayetnaba leire haibagi wathok lakpadagi isu asigi matangda yengsinanaba tha kharagi mamangda Ministry of Home Affairs ki official sing Manipurda laklamki. Manipur ki Chief Minister N. Birena chayetnaba leiriba boundary issue sing amuk hana yengsinbinaba Home Minister Amit Shah da haijabasu laikre. Maraksida Indo-Myanmar border paringda paikhatliba border fencing tawbagi thabak sing khunja singna lephanduna lakli maramdi India ki lambangzaduna border pillars sing adu Manipur lomda changsilakpa amadi fix tawsilakpadagini haiki. MP na makata na hai Chayetnaba lairiba sing adudi anoba border pillar sing pillar number 64, 68, 75, 79, 88, 95 amadi ariba border pillar sing number 80, 82 asini. British na palingai manungda fauba Manipur Myanmar gi marakta ngamkhai gi matangda yetnaduna lakhi. Ningdamba phanglaba matungda isu asiki waroisin puraknaba India amadi Myanmar gi marakta boundary agreement of Rangoons 1967 kuyek pinakhi adubu hauzik phauba ground level da yasinaba ngamdaba asida natana nathaiduna thamliba area kya marum leiri haiki wathok asigi matangda amuk hanna yengsinbiyu hairaduna border pillar ki wathok asigi matangda athuba matamgi manungda matam pumbagi oiba waroishin ama puraknabagi damak Myanmar ga diplomatic ki thakta yasinaba puraknaba house ki khuthangda MP Ningthau Laisemba Sana Jaubana India lainga ki phukning chingsinki.
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Chairman Sir, for giving me this opportunity. Sir, my special mention is demand to settle Indo-Myanmar boundary issue, Manipur sector at diplomatic level. Sir, a few months back, officials from Ministry of Home Affairs came to Manipur to look into the matter pertaining to reported irregularities about border pillars along Indo-Myanmar boundary. Manipur sector, sir. Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri N. Biren Singh, made a request to Honorable Home Minister Sri Amit Shah Ji to re-examine the contentious boundary issues. Meanwhile, boundary fencing works along Indo-Myanmar border, Manipur sector, has been stopped by local people because the border pillars are shifting and fixing towards Manipur, India, leading to India's territorial laws. Earliest discrepancies are along the new border pillars number 64 to 68, 75 to 79, ITI to 95 and all border pillars number IT to IT2. Sir, there had been border disputes between Manipur and Myanmar even during the British Raj. After independence, boundary agreement of Rangoon 1967 was signed between India and Myanmar to settle the issues. But still, there are certain unsettled areas at the ground level which are perhaps ignored by both New Delhi and the Naypyidaw. So, I draw the kind attention of India government to revisit the issues because it will have far-reaching consequences. Manipur had already lost huge tracts of land, Kabo Valley to Myanmar. So, sir, I therefore urge the government of India through this house to kindly take up the matter at diplomatic level with Myanmar for settling the border pillars issue once and for all at the earliest. Thank you, sir.
State asida yum mathol tarer phauba sabagi ayaba laingakna piramba asi mathol tara humdoidagi tara manga phauba saba yabagi ayaba pinaba hotnari haina Works and Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Govindas Konthaujamna haikre. Wafam asi District Administration Kakching na sinduna pangthokpa Modernization of Police Forces Scheme 2019-20 gi makhada Kakching District Headquarter da saba 40 SM Barrack Building amadi MOBC ki makhada saba Irong Salam Achauba Upper Primary School gi building sangkabagi thauramda Minister Govindas na haikibani. Govindas na makhata na hai Perspective and Scientific Long-Term Planning ama State asigi District Kudingmakta paikhatnaba Chief Minister N. Birena Pandam Thamli. ngasidi Imphal manung asi mafamdi yamna pikpa misingna nongma nongmagi yamsilakpa asigi yengduna hana yum mathol taret khaktamak saba yaramba adu mathol tara humdoidagi tara manga fauba saba yanaba kanna hotnari.
Prospective and scientific long-term planning every district the honorable chief minister na taunana ba panda ma tha do ngasidi Imphal manung si jaga di yam pikpa mi di yam kungba lepham gi jugo chada ba gari gi yam chilakpa punamak sing si yeng haraga hana 7-story building sabe abado athu matam da honorable chief minister na akoi up to 13 story 15 story power sabe yana ba haibade natural disaster management gi team ga khanaraga akoi masimasu akoi yaragani that means the vertical expansion se lam pakthorokpadi oidabnina mathaklom da inkhat pasi ayamba structure sing da twaina la ani na I mayam da thamjage.
State asigi yamna maru oiriba National Highway 137A mayai lambi asisu pakthokpagi da thabak athuba matamda hauragani. Ahanbagi oina kilometer 95 sangba lambi asigi kilometer 15 dagi 4 lane oina semgatlaga kilometer 10 asina 2 lane da semlagani lainga asina miyam gi yaifana ba paikhatliba thabak thauram singda lamdam asigi miyam nasu mapung phana cooperation pibiduna miyam punna honaminaduna masak thopa state agency haiki
ngasidi Kaisampatagi maya Imphal dagi koi wabagai lamkhai dagi haigala kan koi kaksing lamkhai si national highway gi koi hoji sanction tawre hairiba national highway gi sanction tawba sida akoina thabak thengthari bagi maramdi honorable chief minister na future gi yeng ba haita akoi 2 lane oiba pave shoulder hapa wangjing dagina kaksing lamkhai phaw si road median yawde habasi masi 2 lane oiba pave shoulder yawba atei sina 4 lane oiba aduna koi isu leiriba 45 km asida honorable chief minister na takpibada 4 lane oihangadabani haidana 4 lane oiragadi median yawrani aduga accident yamna prone oiraro toina accident thokpo oiraro masigi damakta yamna tanabada koi sanction tawroga so koina thabak se paikhatana leibani adu hojikti aina khanjaba matamda honorable chief minister na kanna masi taksin bibadagi 25 km amadi akoi 4 lane yarani aduga lehoriba 20 km amase asi 2 lane ga pave shoulder yawraga akoi subadi haurani adubu lamdi akoi 4 lane gi lam oina loksinanaba honorable chief minister na akoi paukta pibibada akoi yam kanna thabak changtinjari athu matamda thabak oina akoi haunanaba paukta honorable chief minister na pibire akoi praja sina kharasu kathokpa ngasi akoi Asian highway number 1 si sengbalak matamda akoi Manipur gi development gi saktam si hong si mayam ne ubiramgani commercial da akoi samna hakana economy activities akoi lalolitik da yumda imung da len bami do ngasi di akoi mapan da thokanda ngasi gi nong gi lupa lising ma khatang lising ani khatang tandaba yade habi wakal amadi aina phawirang godau male na ina khanjai masi akoi gi theory of origin da Darwin na hai environmental influence akoi if we create a better environment apaba ma sarkar na sema taragadi masi na influence tawraga akoi punna maksing si apaba bo oire phattaba bo oire apaba environment ma create taw taragadi apaba thabuk taw ngi wakan poi adugumna aina example oin bijabagi wani aduna koi yariba makai praja gi site gi su akoi na khara kathokpa sarkar na mayam hena tawrakani aduna koi khajiktan su sacrifice tawbagi wakalon si soidana ai lebigani haibagi aset pathajaba thamjari
ngasigi thauramadu Hianglam ACG MLA Dr. Radheshyam Yumnam Wabagai ACG MLA Dr. U Deven Kakching Jila Parishad ki Adhyaksha P Jiten DC Kakching Somorjit Salam yauna district asigi police ki makok thongba officer singsu saruk yakhi Manipur Science and Technology Council Mastech Tagian gi Patent Information Center PIC gi meeting makhada Waikho Mani Girls College da Intellectual Property Right IPR cell amang asi hangdokre Waikho Mani Girls College Thobal na sinduna college adugi seminar hall da pangthokiba thoram aduda Mastech ki member secretary gi Thausu Puriba Manipur lenga ki Science and Technology ki Commissioner M Ya School Maitei Waikho Mani Girls College ki principal Professor H Manoranjan Sharma Mastech ki former executive member Dr. R.K. Semananda Director Dr. L. Minaketan Amadi College asigi Vice President Dr. S. Syam Kiran Nachingba Maru Oiba Miyoi Kayana Saruk Yakhi Thauramadu Mastech ki member secretary M. Ya School na IPR cell adu hangdokladuna IPR cell adu da kari yauri kari tawgadabano haibana chingba sing adu saruk yariba singda thamki Thauramgi saruk ama oina Mastech ki PIC ki staff lecture L. Surjit na talk on IPR haiba hiramada resource person oina wangang kibaga loinana interaction ki thauram amasu pangthoki Private Schools Development Council Thoubal District ki 16 suba General Body Meeting asi Khangabokta leiba MMRC Unity Park ta pangthokhibaga iroinana lakadoriba chahi 2023-2025 faubagi nauna thaupugadaba office bearer singsu khankhre ngasi gi General Body mifamna B Surchandra Sharma bu President Jotin Salambu Secretary Amadi M Surespu Treasurer Amadi Punna Executive Member Mangabu Lakleba Chahi 2023-2025 Kidamak Khanki Awonba Model District Ama Oinaba Amadi Education Sector da Private Schools Development Council Thoubal District ki manungda leiriba students sing amasung parents sing kidamak hanba leitana hotnagani haina association asigi maikaidagi fongdoknarakhi Kakching Police Station ki manung chanba Kakching Lamkhaida Tada Dipper na takpadagi Kenbo bike amada lakpa miyoy ama sire bike aduda tonglakpa miyoy ama nasokpadagi Siza Hospital da laikanakre Thogdok asi ngasi ayuk pung 10 rom tabada thokibani Police ki pauna hai Tada Dipper na takpadagi laikhidraba miyoy adudi Ke Monsang chahi kulhumdoi apokpa Ke Sangin Son kawi Mahak Khoibu Village dagini Sokpadagi laikanariba miyoy aduna Thangkho pau mate chahi kunithoi kawi palel dagini hairi Thogdok adu Tada Dipper amadi Kenbo bike adu palel lomdagi punna lakminaraga Kakching Lamkhaida laibak thiba thogdok adu thokibani Asiba hakchang adu Kakching Police na lakhatlaga Jenims ki Miral Sangda thamkhre hairi Thoubal Wang Matabada leiba Real Recovery Home The Addiction Cum Rehabilitation Center na sinduna Role of Family on Drug Abuse Prevention haiba hiramda nongmagi oiba awareness program ama ngasi home asigi conference hall da pangthokre awareness program aduda home asigi project director Herojit Akoijam amasung MNP Plus Manipur gi counselor Loitongbam Bimolna resource person oina saruk yaki Real Recovery Home gi project director Herojit Akoijamna hauziki matamda Mama mapa oiriba singna makhoigi macha singbu drug tagi lapthoknaba hotnabada achouba daita lei haiki Thauramadu ki saruk ama oina center asida leiriba client singi parent 35 da Chief Minister Haksel Tengbangi card su yenthoki